Well, it seems that winter has finally arrived, and as it says on our front page, brace yourself. Good day, this is Maries Leroux, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rustenburg Herald's News Bulletin. So yes, on the front page, wrap up warm, pull out those blankets, pour the hot chocolate, and be prepared for some colder weather from today onwards. On page 3, we have a story that cautions against scams and misleading information regarding SASSA payments. So as iemand jou dalk vertel het dat SASSA in die maand van Junie dubbelbetalings gaan uitbetaal, dit is false news, fake news, guys. So please be aware of these kinds of scams, fake news that are doing the rounds. Any official communication from SASSA or any other government institution will be published in newspapers or on official Facebook pages or any other forms of social media through these institutions. Moet asseblief nie stories glo wat rondloop en wat mense sterkies by kan aanlas nie. Then, on page 8, something that is definitely not news is the fact that Rustenburg and its surrounds is filled with potholes. In fact, at this stage, you have to swerve out for the road to not hit a pothole. So in this particular instance, representatives of the Democratic Alliance has written to the provincial spokesperson for Public Works to please intervene and address this situation. Ons weet dat daar reeds besighede in die dorp is wat begin het om hierdie probleem aan te spreek, maar dit is net 'n druppel in die emmer. Daar is intervensie nodig op 'n groot skaal en daarom is die nasionale die provinsiale departement gevra om hierso vir ons uit te help, want dit is ongelooflik dat die paaie lyk soos wat dit lyk. We can only hope that this situation will be resolved sooner rather than later. Then, around the corner next week, on Friday 30 May, we celebrate the annual Slipper Day. Now, if you are unfamiliar with this is where you can buy a sticker, you can wear your slippers for the day, whether you're going to school or work or just into town, and all the proceeds will be for the Reach for a Dream Foundation in aid of children who are suffering from diseases such as cancer. En dan natuurlik die Reach for a Dream organisasie help die kinders om hulle groot wense te bewaarheid. In sommige gevalle is hierdie kinders al oor see gevlieg om plekke soos Disney World te besoek. So daai R20 vir jou uit jou gatsak is dalk nie baie nie, maar as jy dit alles saam sit, kan dit regtig 'n kind se hele lewe verander. So ondersteun asseblief hierdie waardige saak volgende week. Then it is nearing the time of the legendary Comrades Marathon, which will be taking place very soon. And Run Walk for a Life is hosting a special Comrades Marathon send-off function. This will be taking place on the 1st of June at Hedgehog's Nest. And you can there rub shoulders with someone like Bruce Fordyce. Nou, meneer Fordyce is iemand wat geen bekendstelling nodig het nie, wat regtig 'n legende is in die marathon en ultramarathon boeke. So kom gerus en woon die aand by. Dit is iets wat nie gemis kan word in jou dagboek nie. And that is all for now. There are lots of other stories that you can read. Remember that our newspaper is available free of charge at all of our distribution points, as well as at various traffic lights around town. So maak seker jy kry jou gratis kopie van die Rustenburg Herald hierdie week vir al die nuutste nuus. Tot volgende week. Goodbye, keep well.